So how to make $100 to $200 per day with Google Maps. How can you make money online using this exact strategy? Well, I'm going to show you in today's video. The first thing that I need you to do, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below this video so that every time I upload a new video, I send you a notification to show you the next new way to make money online. After you have done that, make sure you smash that thumbs up button so that it helps out the video. And now let's jump in the computer and I'm going to walk you through this step by step exactly how you can make $100 to $200 every single day using Google Maps. Now what you need to know about this entire method is it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a single thing to do this and implement this strategy. I also want to just say a lot of people have been creating videos talking about this exact strategy. But here's the problem with what some of these people have been saying. A lot of people are telling you to go and hire somebody else to do some of the work, which means you have to pay some money out of pocket before you ever make any money. Well, that's not what I'm showing you today. Let's go over to Google. Okay, so here we are at Google. Now here's what we need to do. We need to find local businesses, and they don't have to be local to your area. They can just be local to some other state, some other city. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to help them advertise on Facebook. Now I know you're thinking, I don't know anything about Facebook. Don't worry, I'm going to show you and give you a free website you can use right now, absolutely free, 100% free, to learn how to run Facebook ads. So let's say we go to Denver chiropractor. Okay, Denver chiropractor. Here's what we're going to do. Once we're here, we're going to come down here to the Google map and we're going to click on more places. Okay, that's the first thing we're going to do. Now here's what we need to see. Okay, there's a trick to this, and there's a free Google Chrome extension that you can get. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. You see it right here. Okay, go to your Google Chrome extension page and download this Chrome extension. It's absolutely free. And once you've downloaded it, you're going to see this. Okay, this little icon up here in your corner. This is what you want to see. All right, and let me explain why. Here's how this entire strategy works. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video so I can give you some help and give you some tips on becoming a little bit more successful using this strategy. But here's the way it works. Right now we're over on Google Maps and we're trying to locate and pinpoint websites that have no Facebook pixel. And you're probably wondering, what's a pixel, right? You just don't know. Well, a pixel tells Facebook that somebody has landed on that page. So now you can retarget that person, which essentially means that if somebody lands on your website, you can run an ad on Facebook and it shows that ad to only the people that have been on your website or have completed actions on your website. Okay? So you, right here, big old smile, you're excited because you're making $100 to $200 per day doing this exact strategy, is you've just pinpointed a website that doesn't have a Facebook pixel. So now what you do is you negotiate with that business owner. Hey, for $200 a month, I will run your Facebook ad campaign and I will set your website up so that you are getting in front of people that you normally wouldn't get in front of or have seen your page and just haven't contacted you yet. And so what you do is you create a Facebook ad, okay, ad on Facebook. You add the Facebook pixel, you create an ad, and you retarget those people. Okay, let me explain how that works a little bit more. Right, so you already got the Facebook pixel helper. If I'm going a little bit quick, sorry. This is something that I do. So it's not. I don't put a lot of thought into it. I just know how to do it. Okay, but if you already have the Facebook pixel helper, here's what we do. And you can type in any city, Denver. Let's say I don't want Denver. Let's say I want Boulder. Okay, Boulder. There we go. Boulder chiropractor. What I do is I come down here and I'd look at all these different websites. Now, I'm not going to look at the ones that are running ads because chances are they already have Facebook pixel on it. So I'm going to click on all these, right? So I'm going to go open up this one. I'm going to open up this one. I'm going to open up this one. I'm going to open up this one. And I'm going to open up this one. Okay? So I just opened, 5 of these different websites. Here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to come to these websites and see if this thing has a number next to it and it's blue. It means Facebook Pixel has access to this site. You can see it right here. Okay? So that means I can't do anything with them. I'm not going to use this strategy for them. They already have Facebook Pixel on their site. So I'm going to go to the next one. Okay? Here's this one. Boulder Back Pain Clinic. Look at that. There's nothing on Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay, no pixels found on Boulder Back Pain Clinic. Okay, so what this means, and I can go and shut this off. I don't think this is going to do anything. Let's say pause on all sites for now. Okay, we'll rerun this just to see, but it shouldn't change it. There we go. Okay, so Facebook has access to this site, but there's no pixels. So this would be, we just pinpointed, okay, a company, because this one right here, they don't have it either, but this one right here, we just found out, okay, Boulder Back Pain Clinic, so this one right here, they don't have a pixel on their website. So what do? Okay, just like I showed you here, went to Google Maps, we pinpointed a website that doesn't have Facebook Pixel, this one right here, and so now what we do is we contact that business owner and we let them know that we can add a Facebook Pixel, help them with their Facebook ad, and work on retargeting and build an actual business, build a legitimate lead, and just using Facebook, right? And what do you think this person is going to say? Well, how much does that cost? I don't have thousands of dollars. I'm not working right now. What can I do? Well, how about you pay $100 up front, and at the end of the month or in 2 weeks, I'm going to come back to you, see how things are going, and it'll be another $100. How's that sound? Right? Most people are going to go for it. But again, you're thinking, well, okay, that's great. Okay, now what do I call them? Do I send them an email? Well, you could. Okay, just go and get their contact us. Okay, right there. Online scheduling. Okay. Don't be shy. Contact us. Reach out. Our business address, phone. If they have an email, I prefer email, but that's just me. Okay, there you go. That's all you do. Contact them. Now, I told you, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free resource you can use to learn how to run Facebook ads. Facebook actually has their own training. Okay, so you can come here, go to Get Started, go down to Facebook, marketing on Facebook, marketing goals, marketing page, or Facebook pages, Facebook ads, right? That's exactly where I am now. Okay, let's say, reach out to future customers and create an ad right here. Okay, you can learn everything you need to know, okay, on this website, on facebook.com/business/ads. Okay, you can learn everything you need to know. Okay? If there's anything that you need to know about Facebook ads, come here. Okay, you can do the whole online learning right here. Ad objective lessons, okay, Facebook page lessons, certification, you can do whatever you want. But this is a great tool, and it's free. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, because Facebook wants you to be successful with their ad platform, because they know if you are, you're going to pay more money to run ads on their site. So they help you become more successful, get more customers, build more leads. So that's what you need to do. Okay? So again, you go to Google Maps, just like I showed you here, and it doesn't just mean Boulder. We can do Seattle lawn care, right? I can tell you right now, lawn care companies are going to have less people that have a pixel, even less people that have a website, than chiropractors and doctors and clinics and that sort. So I come here, so I can come to these ones right here, and let's say this one, open up that one, open up this one, and I'm also going to open up this one. Well, we're going to find out very quickly. Okay, this one has one. Cool. So I'm going to get off that one. This one doesn't have one. Let's open that up. No pixels found for Healthy Lawns Inc. Okay, so I can come down here. I can right here, contact us. I can call them. I can send them a message. Send them an email. Okay? And let them know. This one right here, okay? Aerating Thatching Company, they do. See it right here. Okay? And so all you gotta do is set it up. You just set up the Facebook Pixel helper so that you know, okay, do they have it on their website? If they do, let's say like this one. Let's just look and see. If they have it, you know, your Google Chrome extension is gonna show it. And it says they don't have a Pixel. So then what you do is you send them an email. Okay, contact them, send them an email, however you need to. Okay, I don't need to do that. Okay, but you just send them an email, or yeah, right there, daddog@gmail.com. Send them an email, let them know how you can help. See if they need to be on the phone with you. They might. Okay, who knows, right? And then once you found out that okay, they don't have a Pixel, you send them that email, let them know, hey, I can add a Facebook Pixel to your website. I can also create an ad for you, and I can also help you retarget anybody that's landed on your website. And so now by doing that, it helps, because if somebody lands on their website, okay, they land on their site, this one right here, but then all of a sudden they're like, oh, I forgot, I need to go to Amazon because I need to get dog food. This Dad Dog Lawn Care reminded me I need to get some dog food. So they go to Amazon, buy some dog food, and completely forget about this company. Well, over on Facebook, what you can do is you can retarget that person that landed on your website based on the pixel, right? And you can learn all that stuff right here, facebook.com/business/ads. So let me give you some tips and advice on how to become a little bit more successful, get more clients, and make more money. The very first piece of advice that I have for you guys when it comes to becoming more successful using this strategy and making more money is you have to send out more emails. Here's the reason why. Out of 20 emails that you send out, 5 people will probably get back to you. That's 25%. That's not a great number. Okay? Out of those 5 people that get back to you, maybe 1 or 2 of those companies will actually have you go through this and pay you the money. So, because of that, you send out 20 emails, 1 to 2 people will actually have you run this business for them. Okay? Do the Facebook Pixel. Create an ad. Okay? Run the retargeting campaign. And so because of that, okay, let's say 1 out of every 20 emails, you got to target a lot of different companies. Now, when you target these different companies, what you need to understand is other people are using this exact same strategy. So don't go to the big cities. Don't go to Seattle and Denver and Los Angeles. Don't do that. Okay? You'd be much better off going. So there's cities around Seattle, the suburbs, right? There's not Tacoma or anything like that, but there's places like Maple Valley, Issaquah, Sammamish. Okay, they're not little, but they're smaller cities outside of the main cities that you need to target. And if you do this, you're going to find that more people are going to accept your offer, accept your help, and they're going to hire you on a little bit quicker. So because of that, that's what I'd recommend. Target smaller cities, not the main ones. The main people, the main cities are usually being targeted by bigger companies, actual ad agencies. So because of that, you don't want to go up against some of the big companies because they have a lot more to offer than you and I do. So because of that, stick to the smaller cities and you'll be more successful. When I first got started using this strategy years ago, one of the things that I did, which I made a mistake with, was I told people you had to pay up front. You have to pay up front or I will not do any of the work. And what happened? They went to other companies that were more well known because I didn't have a name at that time. And because of that, I didn't get any of the work. So what did I have to do? Well, I made a change. I made a slight adjustment. What I did was I told them, I will add the Facebook Pixel onto your website. I will put up a mock-up of an ad. And then you can pay me at that point. After I've already done some of the work, then you can pay me. So now it shows some good faith. I've already done half the work. Now all I gotta do, I did the mock-up of the ad. Now I just gotta put the ad into the system. Okay, show exactly what the pixel is, all this stuff, right? Set that up, and once I do that, you're done. Then you just pay the fee for running the ads, and you're good to go. Okay, so by doing that and showing good faith and showing that I will do some of the work up front, because I know you don't trust me, I don't trust you either, but I'm gonna do the work up front, show you that I will do it, you pay me, and then I'll finish the rest. And it will be done in hours or a day. So because of that, I got a lot more business. So my advice to you is, if you are willing to, and being that you're just learning, I'd recommend do a little bit of the work up front, let them pay you, or even half, okay, or the whole thing, and then you do the rest of the work. And if you do this, what happens is you're gonna get a lot more people that say yes. Now, if you do 100% of the work up front, and then they pay you in the end, you're gonna get a lot more people to say yes. But if you say, you gotta pay me today and then I'll do the work, you're gonna get a bunch of people that say no. The third piece of advice that I have for you guys is, yes, you can make $100 to $200 per day using this strategy. You can easily charge people $500 to do this for them. But what I suggest is let them know you have an introductory offer for new companies that are starting to work with you, that you will charge them $100 for the month. You will run their ad campaign. You will set up Facebook Pixel. You'll create an ad for them. You'll set the whole thing up. It will be done within 24 hours. And you'll do all this for $100. Normally you charge $500, but for today, for this business, for you guys, I will charge you $100 to get you set up, get you on the right path, so that you can see this actually work. And by using the initial customer discount strategy, what normally happens is your customers goes up. You get more customers. You get more people that say yes because they know they're getting a great deal, because they had somebody come to them. They had somebody send them an email. Hey, I can do this for you. It only costs you $485. No, but for you, I'm going to charge you $100. Yeah, I would gladly save $385 and work with you, because what do I really have to lose? $100? And I could potentially get thousands and thousands of customers. That sounds like a good alternative. That sounds like a good, kind of risk reward type strategy. So that's what I suggest. Give them a little bit of discount, because I guarantee you, you get more people that say yes. So there you guys go. That's all you have to do in order to make $100 to $200 per day using Google Maps. I know Google Maps is a free, website. It's a free, little software that you can use. So is Facebook. So is the Facebook Pixel. It doesn't cost any money. You can set people up, set them up for success, help them make money, help them build their business. And it's a win-win. You make money, they make money, everybody's happy. And the longer that they can make money and you will start to get paid, the more money you could potentially make. You could easily charge somebody $2,000 to run their Facebook ads, and instead of just retargeting their people that landed on the page, okay, their page views, you can also retarget their existing customers. You can retarget people that went to go contact them and never sent them an email. You can retarget those people as well. You can also send messages and do all that stuff on Facebook. Retarget people that they have their email address. They are current customers. Okay? So there's a lot you can do, and you can learn all that stuff on facebook.com/business/ads. So if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you learned anything today and you enjoyed today's video, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.